Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Yahoo Mail account. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. First, on your computer, open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on your search bar, click over there and type in yahoo.com like this, or you can just simply search for Yahoo Mail login in the Google itself. Hit enter, and on the first page you can see the mail.yahoo.com, which is the official site for mail of Yahoo. Click over there, and on the home page you can see the mail option available over here at the top right corner of the screen, and you can see the option pop up sign in to view your mail. Click over there to sign in. As you can see, we are both opening the same page to sign into Yahoo Mail. This page will also redirect us to Yahoo Mail after we enter our password, and here is also we are going to Yahoo Mail. So let's close one of these and let's log in with one. Hit enter, and let's enter our password. Hit enter, and we have successfully logged into our Yahoo Mail account. And there guys, this is how you log into your Yahoo Mail account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.